Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to quickly place decors with custom smart decor. Let's try it together. Enter the Design tool. Select Advanced tool, Kitchen and Bath or Closet to enter the customization interface. Click the AI templates from the top toolbar. Select Custom Smart Decor. Then select the cabinet where decors are needed. Select the corresponding custom tool from the Smart Decors panel and select the appropriate decors template and click Apply. Wait for a moment and the application will be successful. The following are the effects generated by custom smart decor. That's all. Thanks for watching.